Hi, today I will be making braised spare ribs with pineapple. It's a Vietnamese dish called Suong Kho Thom. It's a dish which reminds me of my hometown. I am using 2 trays or 3 pounds of the spare ribs which I picked up from the Asian market. I like the cut because it's easy to eat and easy to handle. As you can tell, it's easy to cut into 1 to 1.5 inch in length. This is a very simple and easy recipe to make, and for 2 trays it cost me about $17 or $18, and I think it's well worth it to serve for 4 to 5 people in my family. So before I cooked, I'm going to clean the meat by boiling the meat in the hot water with 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vinegar to remove all the impurities from the meat. Okay, now my meat is clean, and let's get to the main course right now. On a new pan under medium heat, add 3 teaspoons of brown sugar to caramelize the sugar to golden brown. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in and pour all the spare ribs into the pan and give it a few stir, making sure that the meat will pick up all the sugar coating, and then let it sear for a little bit so that the side and the edges turn a little bit to golden brown. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of brown sugar, add in a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, light soy sauce, or 4 tablespoons. To make it more Vietnamese authentic, I also added in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, which I forgot to record. Keep stirring around to mix the sugar, the soy sauce, and the fish sauce together. Add in 5 cups of water. Basically, you want to add enough water to cover the meat. Add in 2 teaspoons of black pepper, add in chilies if you like, and last but not least, add in half a cup of cut purple onion. Now close the lid and cook for 45 minutes under medium heat. Now I'm going to prepare my pineapple. This is one way to cut a pineapple. Cut top and bottom and cut it in half. Remove the middle section because it's hard to eat. Cut the side of the pineapple and then cut the other side as well. Then slide underneath, and so that you can remove the bottom part, and then there you go. Now you can cut another half and then cut into a squares. Okay, it's almost done. 45 minutes is up. My liquid has been reduced. I added in my pineapples and give it a few stir. I can tell my meat is almost ready. I see a piece of bone there. It came right off from the meat. And I would just reduce another 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce gets thickened. Then it's ready. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video so far, and if you like what you see, don't forget to click the button below, subscribe. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and see you on my next video. Enjoy and take care.